Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put an image inside a triangle shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert or put an image inside triangle shape. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shape drop down menu and choose the triangle shape. Then press Shift on our keyboard and draw the shape perfectly. Then click the shape. Then go to the Shape Format menu. Click Shape Fill option. Choose Picture. Then choose Picture from our file. Now I select this picture. Then click Insert. Now we can see we insert a picture into triangle shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.